Hey everyone, this is a follow-up video to the throttle body we put out, well, about 2 years ago. Anyway, the car has since continued to plague us randomly. It'll lull us into a false sense of security, thinking everything's fine, and then randomly we'll pull some nonsense in the middle of an intersection, or what I like is coming off of an off-ramp on the interstate, and then it'll die. This is just filler while I'm building up what I'm going to show you. I apologize for the vertical video, but the position and the way that butterfly valve acts is what I'm wanting to see when he accelerated.
Okay, tap on it.
Should it do that fluttering? No one...
Now go slowly. Now let off of it quick. Okay, just like I said.
Apologize for this, but basically this gives a little more in-depth of what it actually does.
RPM, and then let off of it very quick. Do that again. Try it one more time. One more time.
And then this is something that I have no idea whether it's the accelerator pedal or it's in conjunction, but once I get about 2,000-ish, I hold my foot steady. At this point, the engine and or a car, computer, whatever, is taking over. It continues to go on its own by itself. So I let off the accelerator at that point because it looked like it was going to continue to go. Long story short, recapping, numerous diagnostic expenditures yielded nothing. It says they can't duplicate the problem. At this point, any thoughts would be greatly appreciated. I don't know. Is it the throttle body? Is it the accelerator pedal position sensor? Is it both? I don't know, but I'm stumped. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and hope this helps. Bye.